Easy and fast English. James, 9 idioms you can use every day. Why 9? You know, everybody says 10 idioms you can use, 25. Nobody says 9. You know why I say 9? Because I had just space for 9 idioms on this board. But these are good idioms. These are idioms you can use every single day. I use them. I use lots of idioms every day. Idioms are fun. Idioms are great. They are more indirect language. They are more relaxed language. Not just da da da, grammar, subject, verb, object. No, just things that make other people feel good and that make yourself feel good. Let's get started. Better late than never. Yeah, if your boss says, hey, your work starts at 8 o'clock, it's 8:05 and you go, well boss, better late than never. I'm not sure if you want to say that to your boss. You know, I would, but I don't have a boss. So, beat around the bush. If someone is beating around the bush, it means they are not direct or they don't want to speak to you directly. Well, boss, and stop beating around the bush. What's the problem? I'm sorry, I forgot to buy dinner. Okay, that's direct. Why don't you tell me next time directly? Yeah, stop beating around the bush. Don't say things behind in a complicated way. Okay? But sometimes it's good to beat around the bush. Cut someone some slack. Slack. Maybe I should just quickly explain the word what's slack. See this marker and the cap. And if they are tight, there's no slack. If I have them on just a bit, you see, it's wiggly. There's some slack in between. So to cut me some slack means give me a break. Don't be so stiff, so tight. I need a little space. Yeah, I need a little space to move. Cut me some slack. Take it easy. Give me a break. Okay? Cut me some slack. Easy does it. Well, if someone does cut you some slack, then you can say, easy does it. Easy works. Also means be careful. Yeah? Be very, very careful. Here's the bomb. You want to defuse the bomb. Easy does it. Yeah, you don't want to break it. Maybe not don't use the bomb. You carry something and it's porcelain, glass. Yeah, and you just don't want to drop it. Whoa! Easy does it. Yeah, slow, nice, easy, careful. Well, today I actually woke up at 12 o'clock. No, it's not true. I just pulled your leg. I got up at 8 o'clock early in the morning. Yeah, to pull someone's leg means to joke around. Yeah, to pull someone's leg is like, haha, I got you, I pulled your leg. Yeah, or you say, hey, stop pulling my leg, stop bullshitting me, stop lying to me. Yeah, but in a funny way. Good. Time flies when you're having fun. I hope just like this lesson. If you have fun, then your time goes by real quick. Yeah, sometimes you maybe in a meeting, it's super boring. 60-minute meeting feels like 60-hour meeting. But if you have a really good presentation, a really good person speaking to you, maybe a good teacher, then the 60 minutes feels like 6 minutes. Time flies by when you're having fun, right? Hit the road. Hit the road means like, if I tell it to someone, hit the road. You know the song, Hit the Road, Jack. Get out of here. Go. Hit the road. Okay? I don't want to see you. Or I can say, come on, let's hit the road. Let's get going. Let's get out of here. He must move. Right? I will hit the road right after this lesson. Hit the sack or hit the hay. Sack, you know, like a sack of potatoes, but no potatoes inside. People used to sleep on those, like 500 years ago, maybe. Or people also used to sleep on the hay, the dry grass, where the horses sleep or the pigs. Yeah, to hit the hay, to hit the sack, you lay down, you want to go to sleep. Yeah, I usually hit the sack at around 10 o'clock at night. And let's call it a day. You could also do this. Let's call it let's call it a day. What it means, let's go home, let's finish this. Yeah, try to find the logic, it's really good. You can say, let's call it a day, let's give it a name, this was a day. We can call it actually a day, the day is done. We would also use it if you're at night in a pub, in a bar, it's 2 o'clock in the morning and you say, let's call it a night, I'm going home. Yeah, let's call it a night, let's shut this place down. For some reason, you don't say let's call it lunch, you don't say let's call it morning, you only use it for let's call it a day, let's call it a night. That's all I know. Okay? So, let's summarize quickly. I'm here for this lessons, I'm late, but better late than never. I speak to you directly, which means I don't like beating around the bush. Yeah, and if you don't like these lessons, cut me some slack, all right? Because easy does it, yeah, and easy will always do it. Take it easy, careful, yeah. Before I was telling you a small lie, I was pulling your leg, okay? As you know, this lesson flies by. Yeah, the time flies by because we're having fun, because time flies when you're having fun. Okay, right now I'm going to finish this lesson and I'm leaving, I'm going to hit the road. And tonight at 10 o'clock, as every night, I will hit the sack. So what do you think? Let's call it a day, okay? Or, no way, Jose? Don't know, I'm not gay. Okay, so bye-bye.